Hello everyone. For some reasons, the guest account has been removed from Windows 10 versions starting with build 10159. You will find several websites wherein they have shown multiple ways to enable guest account on Windows 10, but those methods only helps in creating a local user account instead of a real guest account. So in this video, I will demonstrate step-by-step instruction for setting up user account in Windows 10. Tap the Windows icon and select Settings, tap Accounts, select Family and Other People, click on Add someone else to this PC. A window will be opened where there will be an option to provide the user's email address or phone number. If this information is unavailable, simply click on I don't have person sign-in information. And here Microsoft wants the user to create a new account. Create a new account or click add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the username such as I have created Anirban. Make enter password. I will type here, then re-enter the password. Then password hint in case you forget the password. The hint would come handy. Click on next. Now the local account Anirban has been created. You can see here. Yes. Click on the Windows icon and you will see the account here. So this is how you can create a user account on Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video.